Hey guys, today we are talking about a serious power shift that's happening in real estate investing. I'm not one to jump on the hype train, but this one's a little bit different. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, the very real, right now kind that is changing how deals are happening, how real estate is happening, how things are being analyzed, how deals are being closed, even how they're being managed. It's not about the future. We're talking about AI and what it's doing right now in real estate investing. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, let's talk about finding deals. There are AI programs right now that are making noise because you can actually get deal sourcing through them. These AI platforms like Mashvisor, they are scanning through thousands of listing and layers of data, price trends, and they will actually find shifts, zoning activity, business opportunities, business openings in areas, and they'll spot patterns to neighborhoods that are potentially available for growth. So if you've ever wished you could see a few steps ahead into the real estate chessboard, shall we say, this is it. These are some of the tools that are out there right now that'll give you economic indicators, walkability scores, short-term rental data, and more, just to give you an edge in picking winning locations. AI underwriting. We have AI underwriting that's happening in minutes, not hours. And in some cases, as quickly as you can type up questions, these AIs will have answers for you in the area of underwriting. And we all know that underwriting is a skill. It's something that takes practice. You've got to be able to go through the numbers, learn to see what's in there, learn to be able to decipher the data. And it takes some practice, right? Because you're not used to looking at numbers in that way. Most people are not. Well, AI is making it faster, deeper, and a lot more objective to look at data. Imagine uploading a rent roll, addresses, getting and being able to get full risk profile, comp analysis, forecast, all of this type of stuff on a deal in a matter of seconds before you even make a phone call, so that you have all of that data ready and available. You can look at a deal and be able to use it to negotiate. AI sources like, probably going to call it wrong, Reonomy, Share, Valkyrie, and more popping up day by day. Imagine if, when you are trying to manage a property or you're trying to make a plan, an AI could do all of that for you. It could eliminate the frictions of operations, leasing inquiries, maintenance requests, rent collection, tenant screening. AI right now can handle all of this. We're seeing platforms that are being built with virtual assistants. You can already see most websites that you go to already have an AI chatbot right at the bottom right of your screen. You can go in and start asking questions. And there's a whole number of questions that have already been prepared. Now, these AI chatbots are able to go even further because they've got more access to your information to be able to answer more questions, so that someone that goes in can actually think they're speaking to you, the landlord or the property manager, and be able to get their questions answered 24/7. Now, these AI platforms right now, to be able to handle the operations, they will do things like manage payments, notify the tenant if, of course, you that payment is late. AppFolio, Hemlane, Buildium. These are all different types of AI sites that are going to be able to help you manage your headaches as it comes to maintaining a real estate portfolio. Let's of course talk about marketing. Of course, we know that AI is streamlining marketing for everybody. You just go on to ChatGPT and you can have ChatGPT go ahead and create a whole marketing plan for you. Well, AI now can actually buy you ads. It can find the best markets to be able to put ads up. It can sell your units for you. It can vet those people for you. Not only can it make the ad, put up the ad, fill the tenant, and get all the leases signed and provided to you, then of course, move over and they'll handle the tenant once they move in. We're seeing these tools generate ad copy, the ability to make it viral, even on Google, Facebook, TikTok, do all of this automatically. And the marketing world is having to adapt rapidly or they will be out. You can use an entire suite of products that are all AI driven to manage your entire marketing for you and for your properties. Reimagine Home, Jasper, Copy AI, Synthesia. These are all AIs that will give you the ability to do marketing. Now, here's one last thought that I want to get into when we talk about AI into real estate. And there's so many more. I'm just giving you guys a tip of a taste of what's happening with AI as it relates to real estate investing. As we know, blockchain is continuing to be developed, and blockchain is cracking this code of being able to own fractional real estate ownership. You can have a piece of real estate and be able to own a small piece. They are learning to be able to build this right into the blockchain. So you'll be able to buy and sell fractional ownership of real estate or real estate portfolios. This is here, and we already have it in a non-blockchain format. You're going to have it in a blockchain format where the barrier to entry won't even have a broker in between. You'll be able to go in and do this online, and AI is creating this. You'll deal with an AI avatar who will advise you on all of the details around the fractional ownership, how it's doing. You won't even know that you're talking to an AI versus talking to a real person. That's how far AI is coming, and it will help analyze these opportunities and manage them passively for you so that you can have fractional ownership in multiple properties and you don't need to wonder or worry about what's going on with them. Whether you're looking to diversify or onboard new capital partners with smaller checks, this is all going to be done in this new frontier. And you can explore it with sites like Lofty AI and Real IT. So here's the bottom line. AI isn't going to replace real estate or real estate investors, but it's going to replace the investors that aren't on the ball, that are still looking the old way, because you're going to be able to identify, you're going to be able to move at scale, you're going to be able to move swiftly with these tools in a way that has not been possible before. You're going to be able to crowdsource funds in ways that we were not able to do before. You're going to be able to do these types of things in other countries as that opens up and becomes available through blockchain. So whether you're an active or passive investor, residential, commercial, AI is going to give you all kinds of leverage that was reserved for these large firms that had a whole bunch of people being able to do the jobs. And now you're going to have that in your pocket, on your phone. Your own AI will be able to handle these items for you. So if you like what we're talking about today, please make sure you tag a fellow investor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give a review, and make sure that you're subscribed, because we've got more coming for you on next week's episode of the Four Horsemen of Real Estate podcast.
Even the ones around trusting their word, they walk the talk in the world of investment, they make their mark.